Hi, I'm dear friends. This is VideoPad, and let's say we have a video today and we want to apply some effect and to use masking, like to apply it to some area only of our screen. And what can be the issue? Okay, so I'm dragging our video onto timeline. Now right click over the video, I'm finding effects, and let us say I want to add effect, something to be visible better. Let it be transparency. Okay, opacity, let it be like this. And I want to add the mask, like to do transparent only some part of the screen. This is the polygon mask rectangle. I'm choosing the edges, choosing some shape for masking. Let's be like this, choosing it to be outside of this rectangle or inside. Let it be inside. Okay, and let's see. Effect works, but the masking doesn't. Why is it like this? Let's go again to effects, and this is because the masking has to be under the effect in our list, so I'm going to those arrows for dragging up and down for reordering the effect and sliding our mask under our effect. You see? Now let us see. Now it definitely works. Outside. Something interesting. Okay, so when you are choosing masking and effects, you have to choose mask firstly and then the effect. Or if you did it like I did at the beginning, just to change the order in a list of effects. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.